Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So now that we have discussed about the anatomy of the kidney, its external features and relations, now we look at the capsules of the kidney. So basically from within outwards, the kidney is surrounded by 4 capsules. So what are the 4 capsules? We have the fibrous capsule, then we have the perirenal or it is also called as the perinephric fat. Then the third layer is the renal fascia, or it is also called as the false capsule. And finally the fourth layer is the pararenal, it is also called as the paranephric fat. So what are the capsules of the kidney? We have the fibrous capsule, it is also called as the true capsule. Then we have the perirenal or the perinephric fat, we have the renal fascia or the false capsule, and then we have the pararenal or the paranephric fat. So we will discuss individually about them. So what about the fibrous capsule? In terms of fibrous capsule, this is a thin membrane. So the fibrous capsule is a thin membrane which closely invests the kidney. So closely it invests the kidney, that is the fibrous capsule, and it is formed by the condensation of the fibrous connective tissue. It is formed by the condensation of the fibrous connective tissue in the peripheral part of the organ. So that is about the fibrous capsule. So coming to the perirenal or the perinephric fat, so it is a layer of adipose tissue. So it is actually a layer of the adipose tissue and it is surrounding the fibrous capsule of the kidney. So basically it fills the space inside and loosely fitting sheath of the renal fascia. So this fatty capsule is one of the thickest. So it is one of the thickest capsule, and in chronic debilitating diseases, the depletion of the perinephric fat can cause downward displacement of the kidney. So in some of the diseases, if this fat is not enough, then it causes the movement of the kidney downwards. So that is one of the important hallmark. Then coming to the renal fascia is also called as the false capsule or fascia of Garota, also called as the fascia of Garota. So it is nothing but as a fibroareolar sheath. It is made up of the fibroareolar sheath which surrounds the kidney and the perirenal fat. So basically it consists of two layers. An ill-defined anterior layer, it is called as the fascia of Tolt. Yeah, it's an ill-defined anterior layer, and then we have the well-defined posterior layer, and that is called as the fascia of Zuckerland. So the ill-defined anterior layer and the well-defined posterior layer, these two are the two layers of the fascia of Garota or the renal fascia. So finally discussing about the pararenal or the perinephric fat. So basically it is a layer of fat. It's a layer of fat which is lying outside the renal fascia, and it consists of considerable amount of fat. Being more abundant posteriorly and towards the lower pole of the kidney, and it fills the paravertebral gutter and forms a cushion for the kidney. It also forms the cushion for the kidney. So these are the 4 capsules of the kidney discussed in detail about everything. So now we will discuss about the macroscopic structure and also the microscopic structure of the kidney in the next video. Please make sure to watch that. And if you like the video, please make sure to subscribe and hit the like button, and also share it among your other friends. Thank you so much.